Introduction to Kara Konda, a top-producing realtor in Indianapolis. Welcome to a closer look at Kara Konda, a distinguished realtor in Indianapolis known for her exceptional service in the luxury real estate market. With over 2 decades of experience, Kara has established herself as a pivotal figure in Indianapolis real estate scene, helping clients navigate through the complexities of buying and selling homes with unmatched expertise and dedication. Redefining real estate excellence. Kara Konda is not just any realtor, she is a synonym for luxury and personalized real estate service in Indianapolis. Starting her career as an investor and then becoming a licensed realtor in 2002, Kara has built a reputation that precedes her through her deep understanding of the market, innovative marketing strategies, and a commitment to her clients that goes beyond the conventional agent-client relationship. Her background in computer science and home staging gives her a unique edge, utilizing cutting-edge digital marketing strategies to showcase properties effectively. A pillar in the Indianapolis community. Indianapolis, a city rich with history and bursting with growth, offers a dynamic real estate market that Kara expertly navigates. From historic homes to modern luxury estates, Kara's comprehensive knowledge of the diverse neighborhoods, from the bustling downtown to serene suburban areas, ensures her clients receive tailored advice suited to their lifestyle needs. Whether it's helping first-time buyers or seasoned investors, Kara's approach is deeply personalized, reflecting her philosophy that real estate is about people and their dreams. Why Kara stands out. Kara Konda's commitment to excellence is evident in every transaction she handles. As a certified negotiation expert and a specialist in luxury home marketing, she knows exactly what it takes to market high-end properties effectively. Her strategies are designed to attract the right buyers and ensure her listings receive the exposure they deserve. This level of detail-oriented service has earned Kara numerous accolades and heartfelt testimonials from clients who appreciate her proactive approach and dedication to finding the perfect match between a buyer and their new home. Indianapolis is a city on the rise, and Kara Konda is at the forefront, guiding clients to make informed decisions in a market full of opportunities. Whether you are looking to buy your dream home or sell a property in Indianapolis, Kara Konda of FC Tucker Realtor is your trusted partner in achieving your real estate goals. Kara Konda's background. A diverse beginning in real estate. Kara Konda's journey into the real estate industry began uniquely. Before she turned her attention to real estate, Kara was deeply invested in computer science, a field in which she earned her graduate degree. Her foray into real estate started on a personal note as an investor, where she managed to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio. This hands-on experience provided her with invaluable insights into the property market, insights she later decided to professionalize by obtaining her real estate license in 2002. Building expertise and credibility. Transitioning from a tech-focused career to real estate might seem daunting to many, but for Kara, her background provided a unique advantage. Her expertise in computer science allowed her to embrace and leverage digital technologies in real estate, giving her an edge in today's market where online marketing plays a crucial role. Over the years, Kara has also enriched her professional credentials with specialized training in home staging and luxury home marketing, further honing her skills to cater to a discerning clientele. A recognized leader in Indianapolis real estate. Since becoming a licensed realtor, Kara has distinguished herself within the competitive Indianapolis market. Her approach combines deep market knowledge with a commitment to personalized service, establishing her as a top-producing agent at FC Tucker. Her professional development is marked by continuous learning and adaptation, which has helped her maintain her status as a trusted advisor in luxury real estate. Kara is not only known for her real estate acumen but also for her ability to negotiate effectively, a skill that has been certified through professional recognition as a negotiation expert. community involvement and industry recognition. Kara's commitment extends beyond just buying and selling homes. She is deeply involved in the Indianapolis community. Her understanding of the city's unique dynamics comes from both personal and professional involvement, allowing her to provide clients with nuanced insights into various neighborhoods and market trends. Her efforts have not gone unnoticed, as evidenced by her numerous accolades and the high praise she receives from clients. This community-focused approach not only enriches her service offering but also reinforces her reputation as one of the leading realtors in Indianapolis. Kara Conda's background is a compelling blend of technical prowess, market savvy, and a genuine commitment to her clients. Her journey from computer science to real estate investment, and ultimately to becoming a top realtor in Indianapolis, showcases her diverse skills and her ability to adapt and thrive in various environments. Whether dealing with luxury properties or helping first-time buyers, Kara's background ensures she brings a unique perspective to every transaction. Key strategies for success: embracing technology in real estate. Kara Conda's success as a top realtor in Indianapolis is heavily influenced by her tech-savvy approach. Thanks to her background in computer science, she utilizes advanced digital marketing tools to maximize the visibility of her listings, ensuring they reach a wide and appropriate audience. Kara leverages various online platforms, from real estate websites to social media channels, to showcase properties effectively. This not only helps in attracting potential buyers but also ensures that her listings stand out in the competitive market. Expertise in home staging and presentation. Understanding that first impressions are crucial in real estate, Kara has trained in home staging to enhance the appeal of her properties. This skill allows her to advise clients on the best ways to present their homes to attract the highest offers. Her staging techniques include optimizing the layout, decor, and lighting of a home to highlight its best features, which has proven to significantly impact the sale price and speed of transactions. Deep market knowledge and personalized client approach. Kara's thorough understanding of the Indianapolis real estate market sets her apart. She provides clients with detailed analyses of market trends and tailors her strategies to meet individual client needs. This personalized approach not only builds trust but also ensures that each client feels they are receiving the best possible service tailored to their specific circumstances. Kara's deep local knowledge allows her to advise buyers on the best neighborhoods and properties that match their lifestyle and investment goals. Building strong client relationships. One of Kara's core strategies is her focus on building long-term relationships with her clients. She takes the time to understand their dreams and aspirations, which helps in finding the perfect match between a buyer and a property. This client-centric approach is evident in the glowing testimonials she receives, where clients praise her dedication, professionalism, and ability to make the buying or selling process as smooth as possible. Kara's commitment to her clients extends beyond transactions, often resulting in repeat business and referrals. Continuous learning and adaptation. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and Kara stays ahead of the curve by continuously updating her skills and knowledge. She attends seminars, participates in workshops, and engages with other professionals to keep abreast of the latest industry trends and regulations. This commitment to professional development not only enhances her expertise but also ensures she can offer the most current and effective advice to her clients. Through these key strategies, Kara Conda has crafted a successful career in Indianapolis real estate, characterized by a blend of technical expertise, market insight, and a genuine commitment to her clients. Her approach not only helps in achieving excellent results for her clients but also establishes her as a leader in the local real estate community. Understanding the Indianapolis market. A market defined by diversity and growth. The Indianapolis real estate market is characterized by its diversity and rapid growth. From bustling urban centers to quiet suburban neighborhoods, the city offers a variety of living options that cater to different lifestyles and budgets. Cara Conda's expertise allows her to navigate this complex landscape effectively, providing her clients with insights into the most promising areas for both personal and investment opportunities. Her deep understanding of the local market dynamics is crucial in helping clients make informed decisions whether they are looking to buy or sell. Key trends in the Indianapolis real estate market. Indianapolis has been experiencing a surge in development, with revitalization efforts in historic neighborhoods and the expansion of housing in suburban areas. This growth is fueled by a robust local economy and an influx of new businesses, making it an attractive city for young professionals, families, and retirees. Cara keeps her finger on the pulse of these trends, which allows her to provide timely and strategic advice to her clients. She highlights the importance of sustainable and smart home features that are becoming increasingly popular among home buyers. The impact of economic and cultural developments. The local economy's vitality enhances the real estate market, with recent business developments and cultural enhancements making Indianapolis an even more desirable place to live. The presence of major industries, a growing tech sector, and cultural institutions contribute to a dynamic urban environment that appeals to a diverse population. Cara Conda's knowledge of these economic and cultural factors is essential for her clients to understand how these elements can influence property values and long-term investment potential. Navigating market challenges. While the market offers many opportunities, it also comes with its challenges, such as competitive bidding environments and fluctuating interest rates. Cara's experience and proactive approach equip her clients to navigate these hurdles effectively. She advises on strategies such as timing the market, understanding the importance of pre-approval, and the nuances of negotiation tactics to ensure her clients can secure their desired outcomes even in a complex market. The future outlook of the Indianapolis market. Looking ahead, Indianapolis shows signs of continued growth and diversification. Cara is optimistic about the future of the real estate market in the city, with ongoing developments in infrastructure and community amenities likely to attract more residents and investors. Her forward-thinking approach helps clients to not only find their ideal home but also to make a sound investment that will appreciate over time. Cara's vision for the Indianapolis market is one of sustained growth and resilience, reflecting her confidence in the city's potential and her commitment to her clients' success in this evolving landscape. Cara Conda's deep understanding of the Indianapolis market is a cornerstone of her success as a realtor. Her ability to analyze market trends, coupled with her expertise in addressing the specific needs of her clients, ensures that each client's experience is both informed and tailored to their personal and financial goals. Success stories and client testimonials. Transformative transactions. Cara Conda's track record in the Indianapolis real estate market is highlighted by several notable transactions that underscore her expertise and client-focused approach. These success stories range from seamlessly facilitating the sale of luxury properties to assisting first-time homebuyers navigate their way through complex market dynamics. For instance, one of her standout achievements involved a complex negotiation that not only met but exceeded the expectations of both buyer and seller, showcasing her skill in creating win-win situations. Client testimonials, voices of satisfaction. The true measure of Cara's success can be found in the heartfelt testimonials from her clients. Her dedication to providing personalized, attentive service is consistently noted by her clients. First-time home buyer. One client described Cara as a guiding light, helping them through their first home buying experience with patience and expertise, making what could have been a stressful process smooth and enjoyable. Luxury property seller. Another client appreciated Kara's strategic marketing techniques, which effectively showcased their high-end property to the right audience, resulting in a satisfactory sale that exceeded market expectations. Investor. A real estate investor highlighted Kara's insightful market analysis and investment advice, which helped them to make informed decisions that maximize their returns on property investments. A reputation for excellence. These testimonials are backed by Kara's reputation for going above and beyond for her clients. Whether it's providing updates at every step of the transaction process, or her ability to anticipate and solve potential issues before they become problems, Kara's clients appreciate her proactive approach. Many clients have expressed their trust in her abilities, emphasizing that her advice and actions always align with their best interests. Community impact. Beyond individual success stories, Kara's influence extends to the broader community through her commitment to enhancing the neighborhoods where she works. She actively participates in community events and supports local developments, which not only improves the living standards of the areas but also boosts property values. Her involvement in these activities demonstrates her dedication not just to her clients but also to the welfare of the Indianapolis community as a whole. Through these success stories and testimonials, Kara Conder's clients paint a picture of a realtor who is not only highly skilled and knowledgeable but also deeply committed to their needs and the health of the Indianapolis real estate market. Her approach results in enduring client relationships and a strong professional reputation that continues to grow with each successful transaction. Kara's vision for the future. Embracing innovation and technology. Kara Conder's vision for the future is deeply rooted in her commitment to innovation and the use of cutting-edge technology in real estate. Anticipating the increasing impact of digital tools, Kara plans to further integrate virtual reality tours, AI-driven analytics, and mobile applications to enhance the buying and selling experience for her clients. This tech-forward approach aims to streamline processes, making transactions smoother and faster while continuing to provide high-quality personalized service. Expanding her influence in luxury real estate. Kara aims to solidify her standing as a leading expert in Indianapolis's luxury real estate market. By deepening her focus on high-end properties, Kara plans to cater to the evolving expectations of luxury clients, offering bespoke marketing strategies and exclusive services. Her goal is to not only maintain her reputation for excellence but to elevate the standards of luxury real estate services in the region, ensuring that every client's unique needs are met with unparalleled expertise and discretion. Fostering community and sustainable development. Looking to the future, Kara is passionate about contributing to the sustainable growth of Indianapolis. She advocates for development projects that not only enhance property values but also respect the environment and foster community well-being. Kara is committed to promoting green building practices and supporting initiatives that aim to make Indianapolis a healthier, more sustainable place to live. Her vision includes partnering with local organizations to create housing that is both eco-friendly and accessible to a broader range of clients. Educating and mentoring the next generation. Kara is dedicated to sharing her knowledge and experience by mentoring upcoming real estate professionals. She believes in the importance of nurturing new talent and is keen on offering training programs that emphasize ethical practices, client-centered service, and strategic market analysis. By shaping future realtors who share her values and commitment, Kara aims to ensure that the high standards she sets for her practice are continued by the next generation of real estate professionals. Leading by example in a dynamic market. As the Indianapolis real estate market continues to evolve, Kara is determined to stay at the forefront of industry trends and market shifts. Her adaptability and proactive approach will be crucial as she navigates new challenges and opportunities. Kara's leadership is defined by her ability to anticipate market trends and adapt quickly, ensuring that her clients always have a competitive edge. Her vision for the future is one where her firm not only reacts to changes but leads the way in innovation and client satisfaction. Kara Konda's vision for the future of her real estate practice and for the Indianapolis market is expansive and forward-thinking. With a focus on technology, luxury market leadership, community sustainability, education, and adaptability, Kara is setting a high bar for what it means to be a top-producing realtor in a dynamic city like Indianapolis. Q&A with Kara Konda, insights from a top-producing realtor in Indianapolis. Question 1. What inspired you to pursue a career in real estate? Kara Konda, my journey into real estate began with my passion for property investment. The thrill of transforming properties and the satisfaction of helping others find their dream homes motivated me to become a licensed realtor. It's about making a tangible impact on people's lives, which is incredibly rewarding. Question 2. How does your background in technology influence your approach to real estate? Kara Konda, my tech background is a vital asset in today's market. It allows me to utilize digital tools and platforms effectively, ensuring that my listings reach a broad audience. This tech-savvy approach helps in keeping my services efficient and ahead of market trends, providing a streamlined experience for my clients. Question 3. What do you find most rewarding about working in Indianapolis real estate? Kara Konda, the most rewarding aspect is the diversity of the market and the people I get to work with. Indianapolis offers unique neighborhoods that cater to a wide range of preferences and lifestyles, making every transaction distinct and exciting. Seeing a client's joy when they find their perfect home is what I cherish the most. Question 4. Can you describe your approach to luxury home marketing? Kara Konda, my approach is bespoke and highly targeted. I focus on highlighting the unique features of each luxury property using high-quality visuals and storytelling. I also strategically target the right audience through various channels to ensure that each listing not only captures attention but also resonates with potential high-end buyers. Question 5. What advice do you have for first-time home buyers in Indianapolis? Kara Konda, start with understanding your needs and budget. It's important to have a clear set of criteria because Indianapolis offers a vast range of options. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek professional guidance. Navigating the real estate market can be complex, and that's what I'm here for. Question 6. How do you stay informed about the Indianapolis real estate market? Kara Konda, I continually monitor market trends, attend industry events, and engage with local community networks. This ongoing education allows me to provide the best advice and service, keeping my clients well informed and prepared to make knowledgeable decisions. Question 7. What strategies do you use for successful real estate negotiations? Kara Konda, successful negotiations hinge on understanding the market deeply, possessing excellent communication skills, and finding common ground. I strive to create win-win situations for all parties involved, ensuring a smooth transaction and satisfactory outcomes for my clients. Question 8. How do you tailor your services to meet the needs of diverse clients? Kara Konda, personalization is key in my practice. By understanding each client's unique needs and preferences, I can provide tailored advice and services, whether they are looking for a family home, an investment property, or a luxury estate. Question 9. What trends are you currently seeing in the Indianapolis real estate market? Kara Konda, there's a growing interest in sustainable and smart homes. Additionally, areas around Indianapolis are gaining popularity for their community-focused living and high quality of life, attracting a wide range of residents. Question 10. What's your vision for the future of real estate in Indianapolis? Kara Konda, I see a bright future with continued growth and diversification. Indianapolis is becoming increasingly attractive to a diverse population, and I'm excited to help navigate this evolving landscape, ensuring my clients find success in their real estate endeavors. Conclusion: Cara Conda, redefining real estate in Indianapolis. Cara Conda's illustrious career as a top-producing realtor in Indianapolis is marked by her dedication, expertise, and innovative approach to real estate. Throughout her journey, Cara has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to her clients, providing personalized service that goes beyond mere transactions to truly understanding and fulfilling their real estate dreams. Her expertise in leveraging technology, her deep understanding of the luxury market, and her ability to adapt to market trends set her apart in a competitive landscape. Cara's strategies, rooted in her profound knowledge of the Indianapolis market, enable her to navigate its complexities with ease, making her a trusted advisor to her clients and a respected figure in the real estate community. Moreover, Cara's vision for the future reflects her ongoing commitment to excellence and innovation. With plans to incorporate more advanced technologies, focus on sustainable development, and continue mentoring the next generation of realtors, Cara is not just keeping pace with the evolving market but is also shaping its future. Cara Conda embodies the pinnacle of professional integrity and excellence in Indianapolis real estate. For those looking to buy or sell homes, especially in the luxury segment, partnering with Cara means engaging with a leader who is genuinely invested in your success and satisfaction. As the real estate landscape in Indianapolis continues to evolve, Cara Conda remains at the forefront, ready to guide her clients through their real estate journeys with confidence and expert insight. Whether you are a first-time home buyer, a luxury property investor, or somewhere in between, Cara's blend of experience, innovation, and personalized care makes her the ideal choice for anyone looking to navigate the Indianapolis real estate market.